Hello everyone, my name is Rushikesh Manohar Sonurkar. I am originally from the Nagpur location. I did my graduation in the engineering under the mechanical stream. Now after the graduation I was looking out for the opportunity. Then I got to know about the Evision Technoserve, under which they are providing the certification related courses related to the core IT infrastructure of the company. So I got enrolled and got to know about the CCNA, MCSA, Windows Server Administration, Windows System Administration, Cloud Administration, which includes the Azure, GCP as well as the DevOps related things. Now on the basis of that, by taking that training, I got a job as a system engineer at a very good company. Now I won't stop at that point. I got enrolled into the more of the courses and get more hands-on onto the multiple things related to the cloud, which includes infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, as well as related to the DevOps tool, which includes the Terraform, Kubernetes, Ansible, and there are the multiple things. So after getting that training, I did that more hands-on as well as applied onto the real-time production as well. So it is very helpful for me. On the basis of that, after getting that training, currently I got the job. Now, so currently I got a job at a Circulant Software Pvt Ltd as a cloud engineer with the package of 4.2 LPA. So that's the thing. So thank you so much Evision, thank you so much Ganesh sir, Satya ma'am, as well as the Rajesh sir for providing such a great mentorship, under which I got this so much opportunities. So it is very good for my career. So thank you Evision, and thank you everyone.